the WhatsApp, guys. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can save the DP from WhatsApp on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your WhatsApp, then you have to go to the person that you want to save the DP. After opening the person's profile, you have to click on the DP, and if you try to take the screenshot and they are saying can't take the screenshot, if you are facing this problem, what you have to do, you have to go back, and there is two way, guys. The first way is you have to record the whole process and then you have to play the video and take the screenshot from the video. The second option is, guys, you have to take another phone and you have to open up the DP on your mobile phone and take a picture or take a capture from another phone to your phone. So after clicking that picture from your phone, you have to transfer the file or picture on your mobile phone. So there is two, this is the two way, guys, and this is the only two way. And I hope you find this video helpful, guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.